What's up, y'all guys? Today, me and my buddy Zach, my name is Braden, we're gonna go riding some four-wheeler and dirt bike. He got a Suzuki 125 clutch, and I'm riding my dad's Polaris 850. Right now we're having a little bonfire, and like 10 o'clock, that's when we're gonna go ride. And I'm gonna show you. Here's my dirt bike right here. It's a Predator 250 or 212, and yeah, it's a go-kart motor. It's homemade actually. And this is my four-wheeler right here. It's a Polaris 450, and the axle boot, it's a little tore up right now, so we can't run that. Here's our lawnmower. Oh yeah. And here's Zach's dirt bike. Pretty nice. He just got it, so he's not used to it yet. It's his first clutch, so
First dirt bike too.
First dirt bike, yeah. And the other day he let me ride it. First time I rode a real dirt bike like that. I'm used to riding a dirt bike like that, homemade. So yeah. And clutch is pretty easy to ride, but he's getting used to it. And well, we're gonna go ride today, have some fun, show y'all the property. Alright. Hey y'all, I got this spray can right here. I'm gonna spray it in the fire. Y'all ready? It died.
Oh, I mean, it's not warmed up. For real. Oh my God, for real.
Alright, we're gonna go ride now. We had to go feed the pigs and pick up some tomato plants that I ran over. Right now, people that ran out our property are planting some soybeans, so we won't be able to ride everywhere on the track to show y'all, but we'll ride maybe on the driveway and show y'all the planting. How many kicks does it take? I'm saying 3. How many you say?
Huh?
How many you say? 50? 1, 2, hey! I was gonna say 2, but alright. Now can you get it in gear? We're going that way.
Huh? I got it here.
Did you kill it?
No.
Oh.
It does that, bird.
Alright, we're gonna drive up the driveway, see if he's planting right now. Start it. Second, third, fourth, fifth. There we go. Yeah. But they were done for a while.